Nigerian comedian Okon, Lagos, whose real name is Ime Bishop Umo, has asked President Bola Tinubu to take action. He wants the president to use the current trade war between the United States and China to help Nigeria's economy. In a message on Instagram, Okon Lagos said Nigeria should invite big luxury brands to build their factories here. He explained that because of the trade war, some of those companies are looking for new places to make their products. Okon said Nigeria is a good choice because it has over 200 million hardworking people and very low labor costs. He also mentioned cities like Aba, Kano, Uyo, and Port Harcourt as places that are ready for factories. President Tinubu, please take advantage of the US-China trade war. Okon wrote, redirect the factories of luxury brands to Nigeria. We have the cheapest labor in the world and millions of hardworking people. Tinubu, take advantage, he wrote. Some people online agreed with Okon, saying it's a smart idea, but others said Nigeria needs to fix some problems, like poor electricity, insecurity, and bad roads, before companies will come to Nigeria. Still, Okon believes this is a golden chance for Nigeria to grow jobs and attract foreign businesses. He hopes President Bola Tinubu will act fast to make it happen. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. We will continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.